How to add a new addition or deduction component to the payroll. From the main company screen, select the Payroll Setup tab at the top. Whether the pay component you are looking to add is an addition or deduction, the setup process is the same. You would simply need to ensure that you are in the addition screen for payments and deduction screens for deductions. For this demonstration, we are going to add a new addition component. In the drop-down list at the top of the screen, you will see a number of predefined pay elements already set up. We are going to add a car allowance component for this company. From the drop-down list, we find car allowance, select this, then press the Add button. You will now see car allowance added to the list. If you go into the pay element by clicking on the code, you can check and change the settings of this component should you so wish. This includes whether it is subject to tax, national insurance, and if pensionable. We would also recommend that the On All Employees box is ticked, which will add this element across all employees on the system to be used if required. Once done, click on the Save button at the bottom of the screen. This will now have added the pay component to each employee record. You can now go into the employee record themselves to add any fixed amounts or rates if applicable. Next, go to the payroll screen on the left side. Then click on Payroll Setup at the top. Select the payroll batch to which we now need to add the new component into. If you have multiple batches, select the ones that are relevant to be used in this component. Once in the batch, you can click on the Add Line Item link. From the drop-down list on the new line created at the bottom of the list, we can now select the newly created car allowance pay element. Once added, you simply click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Now when you create your next payroll entry submission, you will see the new pay component on the list with all existing current elements. You have now successfully added a new pay component to the system for processing. If you have any additional queries or require any further guidance on this process, please call us on 028 2764 1060 or email payroll@payescape.com. Thank you.